What is the difference between Aptamil 1 and Aptamil 1 Advanced? What is Aptamil Advanced? Aptamil Profutura baby and toddler milks are now called Aptamil Advanced. Aptamil Advanced baby and toddler milks are the same formulation as Aptamil Profutura, it has simply been renamed. There have been no recipe changes. Aptamil First Powder Infant Formula with GOS/FOS, DHA, and HMO 3GL, 28.2-ounce canister. Product details. Registered First Infant Milk, from the #1 formula brand in Europe, offers complete nutrition suitable for babies from 0 to 12 months, inspired by 50 years of research in early life science. Aptamil Registered First Infant Milk features dual prebiotics GOS and FOS to help support digestive health, DHA, omega-3, to help support brain and eye development, and key vitamins and minerals found in breast milk, including vitamin D to help support the immune system. The passionate Aptamil team of more than 500 scientists and experts is dedicated to helping you feel confident in what you feed your little one. Note: for infants born prematurely, or with a low birth weight, with low iron levels at birth, or infants who are at risk for becoming iron deficient due to illness, additional iron may be necessary. Consult your child's pediatrician for more information. International Limited, among the brands of follow-on milk formula. Based on data reported by Euromonitor International Limited, Packaged Food 2022 edition, Value Sales RSP, 2021 data. Aptamil includes Almiron, Aptamil, Bebelin, Gallia and Nutrilin. Inspired by 50 years of research in early life science supporting you on your baby's journey. Aptamil First Infant Milk is for infants from birth to 12 months, but additional iron may be necessary. Aptamil Powder Infant Formula with GOS/FOS, DHA, and HMO 3GL, 28.2-ounce canister. For infants from birth to 12 months. #1 formula brand in Europe *. Dual prebiotics GOS and FOS to support digestive health. DHA, omega-3, to support brain and eye development. Additional iron may be necessary. Contains cow's milk, soy, and fish oil ingredients.